Hello, and welcome to this video on creating a Redbubble artist account and selling your designs. Before we begin, if you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on our latest videos. Step 1. Create an account to get started. Go to the Redbubble website and click on the Sell Your Art button. From there, you can create an account using your email address or Google or Facebook account. Step 2. Create your profile. Once you have an account, you can create your artist profile. This includes a profile picture, bio, and links to your social media and portfolio websites. Step 3. Upload your designs. Next, it's time to upload your designs. Redbubble supports a wide variety of file types, including JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Make sure to choose a high-resolution image so that your designs look great on all products. You can choose which products you want to sell your design on and set your prices accordingly. Step 4. Promote your designs. Once your designs are live on Redbubble, it's time to start promoting them. Share your designs on social media and consider running ads to reach a wider audience. Redbubble also has a built-in promotion feature where you can offer discounts to your customers. Step 5. Get paid. When someone buys one of your products on Redbubble, you will receive a portion of the sale price. Redbubble handles all of the payment processing and shipping, so you can focus on creating more designs. Conclusion. And that's it. Creating a Redbubble artist account and selling your designs is a great way to make money doing what you love. With a little effort and promotion, you can build a successful online business and connect with customers from all over the world. And that's it. With a little effort and creativity, you can start selling your designs on Redbubble and earning money as an artist. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.